press bacon.
Look at all the blackbirds. They're afraid of that seagull. He's standing right in the middle of the food, and they're afraid to get close to him. They're afraid of the seagull. I'm surprised. There they go. They started making a move for it now. They're coming in little by little. Grab one. I never seen that before. They're actually afraid of the seagull.
Oh, the blackbird?
Yeah.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
They're sneaking in little by little.
Oh, you have fun.
Come on, blackbirds. Ooh, the big oh, that one scared them off. That was funny. Now the blackbirds can grab it. Now seagull came back. It's all going to disappear soon. The blackbirds have taken over.
Here, Scotty.
It's kind of funny.
Yeah. Are they gone?
Well, the blackbirds finally scared off the seagulls. There's one big blackbird. He scared off the seagull. And now the seagulls are gone.